All right, this is the Mini Eagle. Let me zoom out here. This is a basically 80% Dawn Patrol. You'll notice it looks a lot different though from the Dawn Patrol because we changed some things up to make it all work. So this is a constant Reynolds number downscale. What that means is it's the same wing loading, it's the same cord and airfoils. So we have shrunk things this way on the wing and tail. We've shrunk the fuselage this way and that way, you know, basically. It is a Dominator cross section with Dawn Patrol proportions. Fin is downscaled, prop is downscaled. So we didn't stay constant Reynolds numbers on the propeller. Oh well. Downscaled rubber motor and so on. And whoa, it is a bit breezy for it. This is one of the safety features and storage options of the plane. The other is two-piece wing and all that. So this is a very lightweight airplane. Even with radio dethermalizer and all that, the airframe is about 80 grams, which is very, very light. So this thing is going to be pretty wild. Pretty beautiful out here. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to hay this field or mow it or whatever pretty soon. But in the meantime, it just looks beautiful out here. A bit breezy for test gliding a brand new airplane, but we're going to do it. So, there we go. Going a little backwards there, that's funny. Alright, let's do it again. That's hilarious. Alright, take, I don't know, whatever. Started off into a turn. Goes alright. Alright, another crosswind attempt there. Well, that went real graceful. Alright. Yeah, it's just too windy for it, but you can tell the glide is on par with the Dawn Patrol, despite being smaller, which is pretty insane. It's going to be an amazing performer. I just wish this wind would chill out for long enough for us to get something going here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Just amazing. Alright, got a few turns cranked in here. Let's see how this goes. Oh wow. Okay, and whew, Sketch City, but it's still up. Wow. That's incredible. Alright. Now you can go. Yeah, I've more or less nose level. Yeah, go. Oh yeah. Look at that. So nice. Wow, that glide is amazing. All right, here we go. Wow. Whoa. Little stall there. It was very turbulent. Another little stall. May have to RDT this down early. That's disappointing. That thing really wants to get up there like crazy fast. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa, look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. No, don't stall. I guess it does need a tiny bit more. I don't know.
I don't know. To me, I think it's hunting. Or maybe in a hunting.
I think you're not totally wrong. And we're going to have to DT it. Hopefully that was soon enough.
Yeah.
Nice. Cannot ask for better than that. That is an airplane that likes to fly. Glides pretty good too. Glides real good. What you think of it?
So we were actually talking, walking back here, where we talked about there was a stall. We feel it actually was a thermal that it was coring into.
These are known to do that.
That's what made it look like a stall. But flies great off the board and very few trim adjustments. So.
Yeah, very few. All right, we got to see a test glide from this in calm air, or comparatively so. A little more nose down. There you go. Dang. All right, hold it up a little higher. All right, go. Even with that stall. Yeah, so that's, and you're still a little short, so that's at least 10 to 1. Because the building is 40 feet long. So can you explain to me what's going on here?
So this is a new one.
What happened to the old one?
Because the old one, it wanted to keep flying and not come down.
We seem to have a recurring problem here.
And so the timer finally lost it in his nice binoculars at 16 minutes.
Who is that timer, by the way?
Gavin.
Gavin who?
So.
Yeah, F3K, F5J Gavin.
So yeah, you know that they're very nice binoculars. So that, yeah, that's how he kept it in sight for that long. And Josh went after chasing it on the little, in the truck. And he stopped when he was about, I don't know, 14 miles off the field. And all of a sudden, instead of getting closer, it started speeding up and it started getting further and further away. So that one went bye-bye.
Yeah. Tracker only helps if you can keep up with the tracker.
So
that plane went way up there. I actually caught up with the plane once, and then it continued on. I don't know if it hit a jet stream or what, but it went bye-bye. It was up there. All right. So we
had another one built for us.
Yep. So Stephen Griggs built the airframe once again, and before you do that, show the crowd how well it glides. Oh. Because I actually did test glide this, and I added a little incidence, and that was it. Try not to hit the stab with your head. Not cool. Not cool. Yeah, so I screwed the incidence in one turn, because I was on the phone while she was fighting with little boys. And so I flew the plane while I was on the phone. No, I glided it. That's all I did. Boy, that's a noisy thing up there. That was actually rattling the inside of my ears. Okay, here's your pin. Gah! Put in 100 at full stretch and 100 as you work your way in, so it does not take a whole lot. Because we don't want to wind it up a lot. So we set this up with, you know, like 2 degrees down and right. which normally works pretty well for these. Hold on. So, did you get anything for your trouble in losing the other one?
I won second.
In what class?
Mulvey Hill.
Yeah. So, one might make the case that it was worth it to lose the plane. And pin going out. Let's see here. There we go. Oh, that was smart. Almost lost the pin. This thing has a magnet underneath, which is really cool if you use it. First powered flight. Point it a little more to the left. Your other left. Sure, go. Can't complain about that one bit. Needs a little more down thrust, I think. Maybe? Hard to say. Alright, I would hit your DT about now. Flop. And we're going to add a little tidbit right there for a little more down thrust. Alright. Now we get a wind shift. What's that all about? I was hoping to be able to show this thing gliding, but it has very little interest in ever dead sticking. There we go. Alright, DT at any time you like. Flop. Oh, you're gonna make me DT it down?
Yep.
Okay. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.